In the previous 6 videos, I was sharing with you all the pictures from my mobile phone and what I am eating every single day and whether I walk the talk or not. You saw that I promote 80-20 rule. So from 80% you eat healthy, low carbohydrate diet, low in, let's say, saturated fat, but then the 20 is the enjoyment. But still, in that enjoyment, we are using only buckwheat flour and natural sugar. And now I want to show with you, in case you are more sophisticated gourmet and you want to cook special meals, there is a website that I would most probably use if I would want to prepare something special for guests. So it's not for busy people. Let's go. So the website is called Downshiftology. And this woman, she has gluten intolerance, actually celiac disease. And therefore, most of her diet is specialized in this. What I like is that she used to be a marketing specialist in a corporate company. And when she developed this disease, she said, okay, I'm going to change the career and I will learn how to cook. So everything that she's doing and all the videos are very simple. And therefore, if you are starting with cooking and you want to know how to prepare the meals on budget or how to cook the meat, this is the website that I would absolutely recommend spending hours and hours on. And what is also good is that you don't need to spend money on cooking, buying the cookbooks, because you can print all her recipes and they are really nicely on a special diet. So let's say that I promote low carbohydrate diet. It's not a keto diet, but we can look at low carbohydrate and keto diet meals, and I will comment what I believe is really good. So I don't know who has time to make a guacamole bacon burger bites, like a busy person, but it looks definitely amazing. So let's choose those ones that seem relatively easy. So you can see that these ones are for omnivores, those ones that eat meat, because usually a low carbohydrate diet or a ketogenic diet requires more protein and more fat, and it's usually the animal protein that feels you keeps you satisfied. So how to make an omelette, I don't think we need to look at that one, but you can see, for example, red wine braised short ribs. So again, she is using a slow cook and she has time. This is her job, to basically spend hours and hours in the kitchen. So look at, for example, these low carb meals, 40 low carb meals. It is, I believe, sustainable to, for example, prepare 4 pieces of white fish and bake it in the oven. It doesn't require that much time. Or prepare 6 chicken breasts, cut them into pieces and store them in the fridge. Obviously, you can see that she has a clean eating plan for weight loss. Take into consideration that this is a general advice for a general person. If you are, for example, stressed and you have depleted, because you have a burnout, and you have depleted the stores of cortisol in your adrenals, you shouldn't go on any diet. On the other hand, if you are stressed but still not feel the burnout because your cortisol levels are too high, when the cortisol is high, it's going to increase the glucose. Glucose is going to increase the insulin, and insulin is the fat maker that will not allow you to lose the weight. So whatever you do, you are not going to lose the weight. The first strategic goal is to implement mindfulness, lower the cortisol levels, and then you will be able to lose the weight. Okay, so that's what I just want to say, but let's look, for example, on this like scrusio. So if you have like time to prepare it like this and then grill it, it's a really good recipe. She has lots of green leafy vegetables. So when we, for example, look at the super easy and fresh mandarin chicken salad, it's very nice. So even though mandarin is, for example, having some fructose, and some people might be allergic to citrus fruit, it still is a really nice combination relative to the amount, right? So it's like 1 mandarin per salad, which is going to be absorbed easily. She has it with chicken, she has their avocado, and she has the lots of green leafy vegetable. So you can see that she sticks to the trio. She has vegetable, at least 5, 6, 7 portions of the vegetable. She has protein, which is chicken, and she has fat, which is avocado. She's using avocado a lot, but keep in mind that avocado is a high FODMAP and therefore can cause bloating for some individuals. Meat prepared like this is absolutely amazing. Baked zucchini lasagna. So basically you make the bolognese like I showed in 6 previous videos. And then instead of the lasagna sheets, you would use the zucchini. So it's very, very nice variation. This is the salad that I do as well. She has it with dill. Dill is fantastic. Very nice. You can see sauteed cabbage. Cabbage is a wonderful source of fiber. And yeah, everything. So she has a little bit of a Mexican shrimps. Yeah, so you can basically see all her meals. She has zucchini noodles. I have shown you as well how to make the zoodles. And it's with mozzarella balls and with tomatoes and with fresh pesto. She has a recipe how to make fresh pesto in case you don't know how to do it, but you can equally buy it and it will be fine. Really hearty vegetable soup, very easy. Egg muffins, very easy as well. So she has many amazing recipes and you can all print them here. So now let's look at breakfast, because in my videos you have seen that I actually don't offer many breakfast ideas because I believe that breakfast can be even salty. But let's see any of her breakfast ideas. So for example, peanut butter and jelly chia pudding. Yeah, so I do recommend chia pudding. It's very easy to prepare it. And sometimes I get asked which milk to use. So I would recommend almond milk or hemp seed milk. And you take 1 glass of milk and you take 2 spoons of chia seeds and you have to mix. And you have to mix every 2 minutes for the 10 minutes because they are going to clump together. She has a wonderful video step by step how to prepare chia seeds pudding, but also in my online course Eat Clean Get Lean and in the anti-aging program, we also have a step-by-step video of how to prepare it. And then, of course, you want to combine it with some berries because berries are high in antioxidants and very low in sugar. And she adds peanut butter. So peanut butter is really good for vegans because they cannot add any other source of protein. And 1 spoon of peanut butter is 6 grams of protein. It's very good. Remember, you need 20 in every breakfast. 2 spoons of chia seeds will be also like 6. So it's 6, 6, 12 grams of protein in this breakfast. And maybe you can sprinkle there even a handful of pumpkin seeds. That would be a really good combination. Then she has pancakes. I also offer pancakes. I showed you how to do it. Paleo banana bread. So remember, paleo basically means that you are not using any grains, but it still is high in sugar. So bananas are high in sugar, especially if you cook them. That will be basically like a sugar. Yeah, we can have a look which flour she's using. I believe it will be like a coconut flour, or let's see what she's using. Almond flour, tapioca flour. Tapioca is starch, so it's sugar and baking, and she's using butter. So you are not going to lose weight by eating this bread, but it's gluten-free. Remember, she's very slim, and the only importance for her is to enjoy the meals without gluten. Yeah. So if you, for example, are a perimenopausal or menopausal woman, you are not burning calories, you are having 5 to 10 kilos overweight and you want to lose weight, these are not the recipes for you. You will have to stick to the ketogenic or low carbohydrate recipes. So let's look at other of her healthy recipes. So this is not for diet, this is just healthy zucchini muffins. Yeah, so I was also showing you grating muffins. Grating zucchini into the muffins adds the extra fiber, and mostly she has eggs for breakfast as well. So you can see, yeah, overnight oats. overnight oats. So remember, oats is carbohydrate. So if you are slim and the only thing that you want is to, for example, beat the bloat and improve the energy levels, then overnight oats are good for you. If you are trying to lose the weight, this is not the breakfast that you should do. And if you are doing intermittent fasting, this is not the breakfast how to break the fast. The only way how you can break the fast is by eating the eggs. So everything that you see that she has here, like shakshuka, turkey, breakfast casserole, that's how you basically can break the fast. Then she has muffins. She's using quite a lot of bacon. That's what Americans do. If you are perimenopausal and you have high cholesterol levels, then using bacon is also not the best option. So take that into consideration. Green shakshuka is absolutely fine. Kale, butternut squash, frittata, all these are perfect. So it's all about eggs. So let's look at, for example, holiday recipes. Yeah, so it's really nice. You will see Mother's Days. You will spend ages in the kitchen if you follow it. But let's see, for example, what she's doing with zucchini. Yeah, zucchini is very neutral vegetable. Even if you have histamine intolerance, if you want to lose the weight, whatever you do, zucchini. Nobody ever had allergy or sensitivity to zucchini. So you can make zucchini soup, stuffed zucchini, zucchini noodles, zucchini fritters. I think this would be really good ideas. How you can store zucchini, how you can make a real dark chocolate zucchini bread, baked zucchini. Yeah, this is really nice. So I recommend this website. And then, for example, for vegans, there would be like another website. Let's go to Google. And I have the book at home. I wouldn't buy the other books, but they have many videos on Instagram or Facebook, and you can follow them. And they're called Green Kitchen Stories. And that's a couple. He's a photographer, and she is vegetarian. He's vegan. She's vegetarian. They have 3 small kids, and basically their life is about blogging, coming up with ideas of cooking. They're filming beautiful videos about it. And when you go to their recipes, you will have videos and plenty of ideas for vegans. Yeah? So everything for vegans. They're using like saffron and millet salad. It's just beautiful meals. So if you have time and you want to play like they play, because that's their life, right? They have only 3 kids and only cook and only take pictures and write about it, then you can do it. But it's beautiful. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. They are from Denmark. So it's a really nice inspiration. So I hope that this helps you on your transformational journey.